you gotta like hold on for dear life.
I love it.
Man, we just hit California traffic, guys.
Oh, freaking A.
Oh my god.
F you, California, and your traffic.
I think just took that red.
Fuck it. Who cares?
I know. Oh my god, look at this traffic.
There's gotta be a shortcut somewhere.
It has to be.
Find me a shortcut.
Oh my god.
Wait, this is...
Oh, that's a Yari. Oh my
Whoa,
god, that's a Lambo. Let's get close to it.
There's mat wrapped and everything. Holy cow.
Oh, do we catch up?
You play bumper cars? Did that say smoke okay? Or smog okay?
Yeah, smog okay.
Did you put the sticker on it?
Yeah.
Did you actually?
Let me see what that smog.
I know, that's what I'm like, wait, how did you get this thing to pass?
I mean, I can have it pass, but I won't say how.
Yeah, don't tell nobody your secrets.
We caught up to it. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another Barth. My name is Gus, and if you're new to my channel, thank y'all for tuning in. And for all my little subscribers, thank y'all for coming back and watching this video. Anyways, guys, we're here with Zach. We're gonna go picking up his 370Z. As you guys saw my last video, it was already wrapped and everything like that. But today, we're gonna install a carbon fiber hood on it. So we're back at the shop. We're gonna go ahead and do that for him, and then see what's gonna happen next after that. I mean, he's got a bunch of plans for it, so I'm excited for that. Zach right now is inside the shop talking to the man. He's gonna either stay out here, hang out for a little bit, or just go in there and try to find him, but I don't know. We'll see. Wow. Alrighty, so we just got done carrying out the carbon fiber hood. It was actually pretty light. I mean, it's carbon fiber, so what do you expect, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock hood and replace it with this beautiful carbon fiber hood. But do you know what you're doing?
Nope.
Not at all, huh?
We're just gonna wing it.
We're just gonna wing it. Hopefully it's just screw some bolts off and then put some bolts back on. If not, I'm pretty sure YouTube's got some answers for us. But look at that motor. Wow, this engine is so clean. Compare that engine bit to mine. Mine's full of mud and water spots and oil leaks and all that good stuff.
Looks like I know what I'm doing, but I don't.
I have a feeling my boy Zach here is just unscrewing stuff, not in any kind of order, just fashionably unbolting everything.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
We'll see what happens. No joke. It looks pretty sick without the hood.
It does.
It does. You should leave it like that.
No, it rains.
Well, let's get that carbon fiber hood on.
Ay.
So it's done. Definitely sitting flush. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's not done yet. We're actually going through some difficulties right now. We forgot that we need some hardware so it can sit flush, and so the bolts that it came with did not fit on it. Well, they did fit, but they were too long for the fitment. So we gotta find a way to get some bolts. Maybe go to like an AutoZone or a Home Depot and get some bolts or something like that. But we can't just leave the car like this with the hood like that. I mean, someone can just come and steal the hood or steal this one right there, or I don't know. We can't leave it like this. One of us can just go out there and grab it. We're gonna figure it out right now. I mean, we can't go anywhere with the car without the hood being installed properly, so we're in a little struggle right now, seeing what's gonna happen next, but we'll figure it out, guys. So We finally figured out the whole bolting stuff on the car, but something happened that shouldn't have happened. So these clips right here, you can see, they're hinges that go here that clip onto the car, that inside, you pull that lever and it releases the hood or whatnot. So this is what this is. So what happened was they're not going in. They're not going in flush. So you screw it in, and it only goes up like not even an inch. It goes in and then it stops. So it's, I don't know, we gotta put some lubrication or something on it.
Let's bring it down real quick. So these things are the things that I can't get in all the way.
Yeah, because remember the thread wasn't right, remember?
Oh, you said the thread wasn't right?
The thread count isn't right. That's why these are going to go in. Remember we had it up against the wall and we were trying to screw these in. So that's one of the things why you needed him to do it.
It happened again. Oh, where's that latch? Right here. Alrighty guys, we had to make a quick run to O'Reilly's, buy a tap, what is that called? The tap what?
Tap and die.
Tap and die. And yeah, so hopefully it works. Yeah, I've been at it for like 3 hours or something, but fingers crossed. Let's go. We're trying to figure out how to use this tool. We have no idea.
And I screwed it up.
We got this, man.
I really screwed it up. I can't believe I did that.
Alrighty guys, so we got the fitment, not perfect, like not near perfect, but like decent enough where I think we can drive it. I don't know. So my scientific method here, I'll show you guys, to this is, see that there's still a gap there, and like I understand that when he drives, air will go underneath the hood and it could cause the hood to lift up and then obviously destroy the windshield and the roof of the car. But the fact that there's vents on the here, oh my gosh, it's so dark. The fact that there's vents on the car, it might not affect it. It's my hypothesis, you know what I'm saying. There shouldn't be any air trapped in that's going to cause the hood to lift up. Now it's still a possibility, but Zach's gonna risk it for us. So the goal is for me to help him out, lift that hood back to the shop. But the goal today was to get this hood installed and go to this CarMeet. So it's gonna happen. We're still gonna go to the CarMeet. I gotta go pick up my girlfriend or fiance. Yeah, I got engaged, guys. So I'm gonna go pick up my fiance, and then we're gonna head out to that CarMeet. And fingers crossed that nothing happens to Zach's car while we're on our way to the meet. So catch me at the meet. Alrighty guys, so we're on our way to the meet right now. Just a quick little pit stop at Bill's Burgers, picking up some burgers, and I did go pick up my fiance like I said I was gonna do. Zach is actually already there. He was supposed to wait for me, but you know, I told him to get food and he got impatient, so he went ahead and left to the meet. So I'm gonna meet him there, but I gotta get my grub on because I'm starving and I get really moody if I don't eat. So anyways guys, stay tuned for the Friday. We got the food vlog going on. We got Bill's Burgers. I don't even know if you can tell what the hell is going on here, but we just meeting up with Zach again. Let's see if we can get this thing focused. Okay, there we go. We got Zach here once again, meeting up with him. It looks in hood looking nice. Got a bunch of beautiful cars lined up right here, all bagged up.